Hi. Um, would you like to explore how sige, rolling out.
Sige, diretso, pwede ba tignan ito?
Hi. Um, what would you like to explore, Anina?
Ano ako napipil yan na is stress ako about schools lately, mga nangyayabot, ang mga workload, mga ginahatag amon. Just keep peeling up. I can't seem to catch a break yapon para ako.
That's overwhelming. Tell me a bit of how it's been for you.
So, it's like no matter how much I do, so nagkakamedya, para akong there's always more. I finish one task and immediately another one shows up. So, napifeel ko gyapon nga I'm really constantly running about the situation, but I'm never catching up. And I finally try to rest sana, but I can't thinking about what I still need to do.
That must have been exhausting para kayo.
It's really para ako nagkakamay dayaw pala ng pagkaturog. Pag kinukira na ako pagkaturog, nalilita ko pag mata. Tapos pag hindi ko natatapos na akong mga remon gyapon pag sugat ito nga butang. Even when naslip ako, akong may bagayan nagre-raise. Bagan dito nagpupundok, may nagulong bahay dito. Tapos once nga pag nabuhat ako, magyapon yun, masakit akong ulo. Isa na ako nakakatulog ng moped, tired lagyapon ako. Parika na, bumuhat, parika na kumiwa. Ngan, because I feel na may I have behind before I even begin.
It sounds like ang pressure is dira talaga yan ako. Dira talaga na ang pressure.
Exactly, amo ko talaga dire na onda. Kaya I felt like I'm always on edge na, and I'm always stressed. I can't focus properly, which makes me taker longer to do things. And like then I get even more stress. Bagayan nagkakamay bagalayan cycle. Bagan cycle ya nga diri ko nagbe-break.
So, pag napipinsaran mo ko in school, what word or image na kwandayan na mo unang-una?
Ang nasuludan ako nung una, syempre, ang mga books, iguruan, mga deadlines, di na nagkakamay da, pressure, competition, akong grades, bagan sleepless nights, makuri may naturog, anxiety, syempre, ito na anxiety para akon, and maybe, pride kay, baga nafe-feel ko nga proud ako, bisan diri ko pa actually finish ang usang butang. But an akong feeling diri that doesn't last long before akong susunod na himuon.
Okay. So, may talaga put stress nga satisfaction didahay mo pag napipinsaran mo ito na.
Yeah, I guess I do feel good nga pag may da ako na achieve no sa butang. But kuan lay bagan temporarily like it's like nga bagan immediately nga nag-start gyapon ako mag-worrying about akong sunod nga himuon nga bagan nafi-feel ko gyapon nga diri mag-iya gyapon nga siya to temporary content long nga gyapon.
Sounds like ang success, even ang success may dagyapon niya may dagyapon niya tension hay mo.
Yeah, para akong kasi I've always been that way na gyapon. Nga ever since I was a kid, ang bata pa ako mga to, nga gipupush ko akong self na mag-make hard para na akong parents waray mayakan nga so dito. Pero although may iniyakan mga ako na nga proud ra akon ang mga suwat nga butang ngan I guess I started to link on at mga achievements ngan love and approval gyapon. So ayan na, whether I'm not doing great in a situation, I feel like disappointing gyapon for everyone nga so ganito nga nag-expect ra more expectation nga may nabo gyapon ang bata pa ako pagdawon nila dapat so gadawon including myself. I'm very disappointed.
That's a strong connection between how you praise past and how you experience ang mga stress in ina.
Yeah. Baga na akong I didn't realize how deep it was. I think it's internalized gyapon nga an akong idea that I have to more excellent than to be worthy gyapon niya. Nga so pag nag-struggle ako, I didn't just feel na stress ako, I feel guilty like I'm feeling as a person gyapon, feeling as a man. Kind of the situation.
There's a lot of pressure nga yan mo. Ito nga kuan situation. Ito nga gidadara niyo mo kuan. Ito nga pressure.
Yes, oo naman. It's really yes. Even mga small tasks pamati ko bagan. Feeling heavy niya. Like if I missed like so for example, may ako na miss ko sa assignment, activities, quizzes, so ito na yun. Like or exasambit nga late na bagan feel ko nga narulong dito na ako whole day bagan diri ako okay na hala sugad din sugad ito nga kailangan dapat napasa ko na nga ini before due date ulit o bagan di na ako nagkakamay da overthink nga for the meantime nga unta nahimo ko na lang to that time but siyempre na napagulig yung bilang ako niya na akong situation diba nagkakamay da differently.
What happens or ano na nabo pag nagkakasala bisan ko tayo lang ang mistake like ano na nabo para inside hay mo
Siyempre para akon danagdaan self-blame dito na ako na nakukuhanan self-blame akon kay anakon panuna pero may kanya na dapat you should done better, you're just lazy, you're not trying too hard enough ang mga solid mga butang and I know naman nga harsh ito niya but it's automatically did I can stop those thoughts sometimes nga adi ako panuna dili kaya napipigilan ko automatic na yan.
sounds nga may daga strict in your voice sa nga diri ka gitatagaan rom para ka makahinga ito nga inner voice.
Yeah. In my own biggest critic, situation. Even when people tell me I'm doing fine, I can't believe them. And I always think na I should be doing more. Unta.
That's inner critic seems very demanding para so may dara ba kuan? May dara ba any sense or ano kung din ba to take ang kuan? Itong mga voice nga ano din ba to take ang haymo?
I think it's from growing up gyapon para ako na may da competitive na environment at home. Balay, we didn't really talk much about the nafe-feel and nag-focus magulat ako on mga doing school works and even my parents meant well, but I didn't think I learned earlier that achievements were how to show my worth. And I brought this mindset, parang nadara ko na niya akong pagkakaasta akong pag-college na.
Okay. Kindara mo talaga niya expectation for the very long time.
Yeah, it's starting to wear me down ang mga panahon, mga nagaging na panahon. I used to be passionate about, syempre, learning, experience, but now I just feel anxious. I don't even enjoy my subjects anymore. Bisan mga minor, mga major nga. Supposedly, ano na, although nag-enjoy man gyapon ako, pero di rin nag-enjoy. I just see them as pearls and bagan kinahanglan ko gyapon ni survive kasi syempre college naman ko ako. So yeah.
So that sounds kuan very very painful. Especially when something you used to enjoy and now but it feels like nga but burden niya ay mo.
Yeah. I miss feeling curious and excited now, and I only feel relief when things are done. Non-relief nga nagkamay disappear so non-relief nagkamay di ako disappear so fast. And I guess I don't give up myself permission to rest or celebrate.
Ano ang nasroday mo una-una? When you paggintatagan mo ano mo kalagkaringon permission para mag-rest?
Honestly, para ako guilty. I feel like nga guilty para ako kasi I feel like nag-waste akong time na supposedly nga ito na time gingamit ko yan mga oras na pwede ko himuon bagan para ako nagigilty ako nga wala dapat gingamit ko nila ini so ganito kakarag man ang oras kung turog ako maginigdaon lang ako magkakarag ba so like I'm not being proud na akong self maging productive I'm feeling ba nag-feel gyapon ako so it's too hard to relax because I feel na like very ko na deserve until everything is done but everything is never done.
That's a powerful realization. Hindi mo mind ties rest to guilt.
Yeah, I think that's why I get burned out so easily. I keep pushing myself gyapon nga so ganitong dapat nga but now pinsar I think finally feel like okay na ini once I finish everything but to the point that it never comes out. There's always more to do gyapon more.
So baka yung cycle nga it's been repeating na maiyan na nga panahon.
Yes, it does. I think I've been running an autopilot for so long and I forgot to slow down. And I just go through the motions, wake up, studies, stress, sleep, repeating itself. Sometimes I even forget to eat properly. Bisan mga panahon nga ba nangingalimtan ko nagyapon kumaon ng breakfast, dinner.
So it seems like nineglect mo imo own needs while trying to meet an imo expectations.
Yeah. Exactly. Nagpo-focus ko ako much on performance and that I forget I'm a person too. I think I'm deep down and I just want to someone to tell me if it's okay to rest. Yapon. That's why I'm still enough even if I'm not perfect. Yapon ako perfect to be.
That's very honest and meaningful reflection.
Thanks. I think I'm realizing that a lot of my stress isn't just from workload, yapon. It's from how I talk myself about it, and the pressure comes inside as much as the outside, yapon.
So importante ito nga insight. And na-recognize mo nga both external demands and your internal expectations.
Yeah. I guess I want to start being compassionate even myself. Maybe kailangan ko mag-learn to accept yapon and ano akong makakaya, ano akong best to pushing myself without ang mga pagaling na solid ng komentaron.
Very healthy na mo karuyag nga goal. So that's very healthy.
Yeah, I think ginta-try ko yan mga small things like talking short breaks nga nafe-feel ko nga dapat ma-feel ko nga feeling without guilty gyapon or telling myself nga it's okay to not be perfect gyapon. Syempre amon manggod talaga ito ngan I want to rebuild gyapon nga magkamay dako an set of balance.
Okay. So how was this conversation para imo? Ano yung conversation para kayo?
I guess it's actually helped gyapon a lot nga diri ko ka-realize nga how much of my stress came from on bisa na akong mindset nga nagkakamay na talking about me to understand that my drive for perfection is connected to how I feel raised and praised gyapon. So it gave me a perspective of myself.
That's a great insight. You made a strong connections today between mo early experiences and mo current mga stress patterns.
Yeah, and I feel a bit lighter just realizing that I don't have a perfect at all time. Dahil magod kita perfecto. Mga sugat ito pamutang. Tawa lang kita. And I can still hardworking without burning myself out.
That's a wonderful realization. Finding a middle ground between ambition and self-care.
Exactly. I think I start ko mag-remind akong self na hey, rest gyapon na it's actually something I need to function as well. I need rest. That's why.
So that's excellent, no? So before we close, pwede ko ba maaari mo feedback? And how did you feel during ini ng session?
Ano ako na-feel yan na is nagiging more comfortable ako. It was nice to talk with you sa client. You're the therapist. Nagagawas ko din ako mga stress nga waray judge gyapon bagan para akong free will, may ako freedom to share about my feelings today. So it helped me to connect my thoughts thoughts nga kung ano man akong how much of stress or emotional para lahi kining academic.
I'm glad nga that part was helpful para kayo.
Yeah. Maupay manggod talaga ya. Maupay talaga ya nga nag-reflect gyapon niya akon nga nag-reflect kaya akon without any complaining about workload. So I actually understood why I feel this way. And I think I continue naman to journaling or talking to my friends about it. So just so I don't keep it bottled up. So pwede ko na lang tataguan instead of natago ko dito ako nagkakamay na. So dito ako pamutang.
That's a great idea, no? Reflection talaga na nabubuligan ka para to keep your track and yung emotions and yung mga progress na dito maging bubutang na-track talaga doon mo.
Yes. I think kailangan ko nagyapon maging aware ang mga sugadin nga situation. Kailangan ko na maging aware ang mga butang na dapat aware na ako dan una pa man. I think para ma-broken nga cycle, para amoy in way para ma-broken nga cycle. So yeah.
That's grabe itong mindset. Thank you for being open and honest ako.
Yes. Although kinahanglan ko gyapon mag-thank you Imo for listening me to helping me to understand myself better. Damo nga salamat para Imo kay ada ka mo para bumulig ang mga tao nga may daging pinagdadaanan gyapon. Even iba-iba kami pinagdadaanan pero amo mga talaga kakagawa. So yeah.
You're very welcome. I look forward nga unta ma-apply mo itong mga insights ngayon mo na pa niyo na adlaw.
Yes. It will apply myself na sugad ito nung dapat manimuon para less stress, less anxiety, less mga disappointings or guilt na may nanabuha akon. Yes, kailangan ko gyapon maging aware, kailangan ko maging magpakatatag para akong self. Yeah, I will. And salamat, Otro.